Hi, I'm Ritti, student of Firebird Institute. Through Firebird's unique actual learning program, I spent 70% of my time in the industry. It gave me the opportunity to work with the corporate environment and to know about their working culture. It gave me the opportunity to experience the practical application of my chosen domain and thereby helping me to upskill in it.
Hello everyone, I'm Rojashri from Firebird Business School. In Firebird, we have a 70-30 model. In 70% of practical knowledge, we gain from the industry where we work as an intern. For the past 8 months, I have been working in 3 different companies where I get 3 different mentors who teach me about the corporate world and how to behave and how to conduct yourself in a corporate education. So I hope you can join us in this journey as a Firebird family. Thank you.
We tried to see what kind of an education would be best for our students. We looked at our own industrial experience to see how we train our executives, how we actually evaluate them, and how we retrain them when they get into mid-level positions. And we realized that industry experience cannot be duplicated. Hence, we created the 70% program where students actually go out and work in companies on a paid job for 4 hours every day. This is an unparalleled system, and it really will be a model for many other institutions to follow in the future. The students reach a maturity level that makes them ready to fit into industries and an asset into the organizations that they grow. That's the Firebird advantage.